Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So I just wanted to share with you a very short video that I did after talking to some young people and after talking to some of my mentees as well, and we were discussing how to stay relevant because of what is happening as migrants. And I'm in academia, and I do have a few mentees who also work in industry. And we were just talking about, how do you stay relevant? How do you level up to the next position? What methods can you use? How do you find the right job? So I did a short clip just to help some of my mentees who had not been at the meeting. And enjoy it. And see you in the next video, where we'll be talking about the new temporary job list and how to get yourself on the job list, who's employing, who's not employing, and how to get the global talent visa if you're still outside the UK. Ciao. See you in the next one. Hi guys, thought I'll do a short video just to help someone who is trying to level up in their career and who's trying to figure out how to move from one level to the other, or someone who is flatlined. When I say flatlined, it's someone who has been having lateral moves. You are just at the same level, you are not going higher, and you'd like to go higher, and you want to know what's holding you back. So one of the tips that I can give you is to do a gap analysis of your CV. So besides putting your packaging your CV very well, and a lot of people now know how to do that, to package your CV, put yourself out there for people to know what you've done and what you do, and convince people that you're the right person. But sometimes you find yourself that you're flatlined, somehow you keep applying for the next level jobs and you're not getting them. So one of the strategies is to do a gap analysis of your CV, and how you do this is very simple. So this is what I do with the people that I talk to, the people that I mentor. I had a mentorship session today with someone, and I was telling them to find the next level job, or the best job that you think you'd want on the next level from where you are, where you think, I think now I'm ready for this job. Once you get that, find the job description, take that. I'll if you send me a comment in the comment section, I'll say, can you assist? I can assist you in my inbox to give you ChatGPT prompts, or whichever AI that you use, the prompt to do a gap analysis, to take your CV. You take that job description and ask the AI to tell you what gaps does your CV exist in your CV for you to get that other job, or is it about how your CV is written, or is it about how you're putting it across in your supporting statements? Are there inconsistencies? So you try to apply for a hypothetical job, but that actually exists. And as you do that, you will start to see gaps. And most of the time, ChatGPT or these other AIs, it will give you a result that will show you the gaps in your CV for that particular job, and you can start addressing them. And it can also work out a plan, a 6-month, 3-year plan of how you can upgrade yourself, level up to get that job. So hit my inbox if you need help to do that. But that's just something that I think people who are really serious about jobs, really serious about leveling up, you can do this on ChatGPT. Ask it to do a gap analysis, ask it to give you a 6-month plan or a 3-year plan of how you can get to that level, how you can get that job. Start looking at the jobs that you'd want to get, and start downloading those job descriptions, compare it to your CV and see how you match. And then also, once you do that, you can also tell how much time you actually need for you to get to the next level. So that's my hot tip for this week. This is something that I've been doing. So I know I've always been posting, for the past couple of weeks, I'm going to school, I'm trying to level up. That's what I did. So I sat down with my own CV and asked myself, what's the next job that I would like? And I measured myself against that job, and I looked at the gaps, and I'm now looking for courses and places and things to do that will up my game, so that next time when there's an actual job in that area, I can be able to apply. So good luck. If you need assistance, or if you need to see the template that ChatGPT created for me for a 6-month breakdown, I can send it to you in your DMs, and we can have a chat. And then those who want to sign up for coaching or mentoring, see you in the inbox. Level up, guys. Level up. Don't stay stagnant. You have a superpower that needs to put you in the palace.